a focus on problem solving is important for young students because many of them don't know that the STEM field is quite a creative field. They think about art and they think about things in architecture as being aesthetically creative, but never think about the field, say, of engineering that's extremely creative and innovative. Not only that leads to entrepreneurship. So the problem solving skills that they get as early as possible in something like a Project Lead the Way curriculum is so valuable to them because it builds a framework on how to think really hard about problems and then conceptualize those problems and then work through those problems and think about, are they coming up with a solution that meets the requirements to solve a particular problem. Engineers are very creative people. They work to solve some of society's most difficult problems, for example, energy, sustainability, the environment, where's cybersecurity, physical health. So engineers are creative and they contribute to these problems. So these problem-solving skills that we build in, say, an engineering education or in a pre-engineering education are extremely valuable as they go forward. And you can imagine them doing great, really creative things like designing the next generation of an aircraft or designing the next electric vehicle or designing something that's related to making systems secure. If we all just think about very simple things, I always like to talk about how just 20 years ago, we didn't have a cell phone. How did that happen? It was scientists, mathematicians, computer scientists, and engineers that worked together to miniaturize electronics, to put the right programming onto these little devices that now everybody in America at least has one. And children as young as 5 years old maybe even have one. And it all started with really lots of technology, and it's very creative. And now obviously it's a consumer product that everybody wants to have and have a medium and communicate.